When you open up Lazer Success, click on the left-hand menu. You'll see the drop-down menu with an arrow near your name. Click on the arrow and select Profile to be able to view and edit your student profile. You'll be able to upload a photo, or your Lazer ID photo will be in the system already. Review your contact details. Feel free to add an alternate email as well as your school email. You can adjust the notification settings to send to the address that you prefer. You don't want to miss any messages. If you want to add your cell phone, just click the mobile phone icon to see how to format your number. Then you can get notifications by text. Make sure to adjust your time zone. This is especially important if you take online classes. It improves accuracy for when you are booking appointments with professors and services. You can also customize when you get updates and reminders so you receive them when it works best for you. Now let's click on the Intake tab. Here you'll fill out questions that are important for OCC to know. This info will help faculty learn more about you and provide you better help when you need it. That's it for how to build your profile. We hope you are more comfortable with Lazer Success powered by Starfish.